What's going on, guys? I'm here with another video. So, as some of you know, I did order some new wheels for the Accord, and I did end up going with some ESR 3-piece wheels. I'll let y'all see what they look like. As far as I know, I haven't seen nobody else with these. They weren't on the website for the longest, and so I better not fucking jack my shit. But they weren't on the website for the longest. But I know some guy that had them, and I hit up that boy Doug from Tuner Goods, and he hit up ESR, and ESR said, "Man, we'll make it happen," you know. So I haven't opened. I got them right here. My bad. I caught them. I'm excited. So yeah, I ordered the wheels probably about, I don't know, 3-4 months ago, and finally got them in. I wasn't really in a rush, man. I wasn't really tripping, but of course I wanted them. But yeah, man. So I'm about to unbox them for y'all boys and see what they look like. Hopefully it's the correct wheel and everything that I ordered first to begin with. So
we've been waiting for this for a little bit already.
Yeah, that's the Accord right there. You can see it
on stocks.
So yeah, on stock is a 2019 Accord bag. You know, yoke for side skirt, ACR front lid, a couple other goodies, and now I'm just missing the wheels.
Oh man, drum roll.
Yeah. Still recording? So these are 3-piece, 20 by 10.5 in the rear, and 20 by 9 in the front. The Ferradas I used to have were 20 by 9 all around. Here we go. Oh man.
Damn.
Oh, these ain't it. No, they are it.
Shit.
Damn.
You got scared because you saw blue,
I
huh?
saw blue, but it's to protect the lip.
It's
Oh
like a
my God.
protective film on the. God.
Oh, yeah, boys.
You think that's the front or the rear?
That's got to be the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, look.
It's a little small.
Everything intact.
Yep. 4 Series. Damn. I'm gonna open up. I think this should be the front.
I mean,
Let me see. It should say the specs somewhere out here. 'Cause you're not gonna get the ultimate experience.
well, this is just a little
This
preview.
is a little teaser, you
You know
know.
what I'm saying? Oh, it's clean, man.
God damn. I don't even want to put them on, bro. Se miran iguales, ¿no? Right?
I can't even tell.
I need a lot more. The other one should be a lot wider. The rear, like I said, is a 20 by 10.5. Looks the same, huh? I need to take that one out. Take that one out and put it next to each other. There should be 1.5 inches bigger than the front.
We'll just get the measuring tape and measure it.
Everybody has those other ones. You know what I'm talking about? The LP12s or the CS series. Not me.
It's got the gold hardware, boys.
Yes, sir.
What you think? Happy?
Yeah, I can't even say nothing. I don't even know what to say. I've been waiting a minute for these wheels. Finally got them, and I want to see them on the car. Then you get tires and set them up. But I need to verify everything's correct. For sure, because it's bugging me. You know what I'm saying? Alright boys, so this is going to be like a little quick short video just of me unboxing the wheels and showing y'all the wheels. I know y'all been hearing me say, oh, I got new wheels on the way, I got new wheels on the way, and I ain't seen nothing, but I'm just honestly excited. And it's just going to be, like I said, a short video. We'll get another video, we'll put them on and, you know, more in depth with them. But yeah, man, I just wanted to upload it for the people that have been following the channel, you know what I mean? And been waiting on the wheels, I guess you could say. But yeah, man, this is just mocking up right here. Close up. Yeah.
There's a little taste of what's coming.
Yeah, just a little taste. So the rear is 20 by 10.5. First is gonna be a 20 by 10, and so that's gonna be the rear right there. It's not your biggest lid, but yeah, man, it looks sick. What do you think, Vic?
I love it. Can't wait to see them mounted.
Yeah, I can't wait to see them. I don't even want to put them on, to be honest with you. I'm scared of people be gonna put them on their greasy ass hands, oily hands, and just get them on dirty. But yeah, boys, hope you guys like those wheels. And yeah, boys, stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully we'll be mounting them, putting them on, and you know, I gotta see what I gotta do to the rear, if I gotta throw in more camber when I air out or whatnot, or the front, see what kind of fitment I need to run, and talk to one of my boys to get all that suited up and get the alignment, and yep, you know how that goes. But yeah, boys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one. Sauce.